It is 8:11. I'm ready to go. Shoulders and arms. Probably gonna bike. I think I'll bike. My legs are okay. My feet are a little blistered. So I think I'll bike. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's go. Alright, man. You guard the house for me. Okay. Back in the saddle. I don't even mind the winter. I'm really mind cleaning off the car. Oh, it's go time. There's no filming in this gym, but this is all you get. Anyways, they didn't say no filming in the bathroom. Quick pump check, not too much, Definition's definitely coming in, but slowly but surely, I guess. Growth will come. Anyways, escalator. We walk down the escalator because we're alpha, and it's just how we do it. It's just how we do it. Just wrapped up shoulders and buys and tries. Dumbbell press, 2 warm-up sets and 2 working sets, and then straight into shoulder raises, which was good. I got blisters on my feet from running, so those need to heal. I didn't have enough time today to do any cardio or like stretching, mobility, anything. So probably gonna do that later tonight. I'll get a bike in or something. Yeah, I'm going to get breakfast now. I haven't eaten yet. It was like some fasted cardio, but chill day. All right, well, it's been a busy day. Got this girl all oiled up, cleaned up. Now, this guy is next. Is he? Oh, yeah. It's time. I'm really hoping the battery's not dead. It's looking like the battery's dead. Oh my goodness. Oh, the battery's definitely dead. Fuck. Well, this is what we're dealing with now. A dead battery. So. Oh! No! Oh my gosh, dude. There goes that clip. Okay. I'm just feeling so good about this now. This is awesome. R.I.P., dude. That's what you get for messing with things in the cold, I guess. Be extra. That's been broken. Whatever. Okay. Anyways, we've got her on charge right now. So, super pissed about snapping that. Whatever. I guess I'll check back in a little bit. Try to start this little girl up. Yep. Awesome. Well, we're on try number 2 with the Z. Doesn't look like the greatest, but I'll try. Well, jumping her isn't working right now. Anyways, I'll give you a quick car tour. This is the Z. I have yet to name her. Fitment's pretty dialed, as you can see. Just need to drop her down to the floor. Bring the wheels in a bit. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, she's bone stock. All I've done is a different unit there, but pretty stoked. Well, it was a really fun, really long day. I think I'm done for working out. I think I'm done. Dad's birthday's tomorrow. I'm terrible for this. I always shop the last moment. But anyways, I got his gifts. We're going out for a medium healthy dinner. We're gonna go to Lone Star and get some fajitas. So should be pretty good. Other than that, I'm done. I'm so full. Dinner with mom, and then breakfast with mom, dinner with grandpa. Tried starting the Z. She did. So battery's on charge. We're gonna try it again. What I did is I didn't forget to. I put it off, but I didn't put the battery on trickle, and I didn't do my fuel stabilizer. So tried doing that today. It didn't really go too well. So that's on me. That's on me. All right. Reveal. Getting down a mini massage gun. A new scale. Creatine. Creatine for the homie. Day one. I feel like I've known him all my life. Anyways, that's for Dad. This is sick though. Absolutely legendary pull. You know what another one is? Widowmaker.
Viper. All at fucking Canadian Tire, man.
Who would have thought? Nice early morning lift. Busy day. It was good. It was good. We did it again. We're going to do it again. So, last thing for the day. I got these new lights for my room. Sometimes waking up is a struggle, but now should be a breeze, you know. I've got it set really dim right now, also for my lamp. But yeah, really dim right now, nice and easy on the eyes. But they're gonna blare white light every morning at 4:30 a.m. So I have no choice but to get out of my bed and turn off my light switch. So you might as well just stay up at that point, right? So can't fail, can't lose. Foolproof, absolutely foolproof. Day 3. Peace.